Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be talking about the Oyster Perpetual 41, Datejust 41, reference number 126333, on a black dial with yellow gold and steel casing. As is in the name, it is 41 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, cased in oyster steel and yellow gold. The monoblock middle case and screw down case back and winding crown all give this watch a water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. The bezel is made of yellow Rolls ore. The combination of both oyster steel and 18 karat yellow gold is a fluted style because it is a legacy. It had a functional purpose, serving to screw the bezel onto the case to ensure that waterproofness. And in the modern day, the fluting became an aesthetic element and a genuine Rolex feature, and it is a mark of distinction now, and it is always in some sort of gold: yellow gold, white gold. This version specifically is made with yellow gold. The bracelet is the Oyster flat 3-piece link bracelet with the folding oyster clasp. Simply lift the top and there you go. It has the 5 millimeter comfort extension. This is with it closed, and here it is open to give you that extra 5 millimeters of comfort in case you're wearing for a tight fit and your hydration levels vary throughout the day. Alright, and as we said earlier, there is a winding crown on the right side to simply adjust the time. You can unwind the crown. The first position allows you to wind the watch. The second, pulling out to the second position, allows you to change the date, which is clearly visible through the Cyclops window within the scratch resistant sapphire, so no fear of scratches from sued threads or anything. Clear and precise. Pull it out to the final position and notice that the second hand has stopped, so you can adjust the minute hand precisely. Pressing the crown back up against the case and winding it and screwing it back in ensures that superior water resistance. The movement for this watch is the Perpetual mechanical and self-winding 3235 made in-house by Rolex. It has the plus or minus 2 second per day time differential after casing, and it has the paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, so that means it's essentially resistant to electromagnetic interference as well as shock, so you can take this just about anywhere. The power reserve is approximately 70 hours, so you can set this down on a Friday evening, pick it up on a Monday morning, and it'll be running just fine with no need to wind the watch. So, who is this watch for? If you notice that the dial is actually black, and if it's hard to see in the video and still difficult to see with your own eyes, I've been trying to move this around just to show you that there is an actual sunray finish, a sunburst type of finish on this black. It's subtle, but it's there, and it gives that little touch of elegance to these diamond hour markers, all 18 karat set, hand set, to give this a very distinctive look for you and your wrist. And so, keeping all that in mind, who exactly is this for? This would be for anyone who wants to really wear their watch as a mark of distinction, as seen with the diamonds, the handset diamonds, because day dates also could have Roman numerals or Datejust rather, could have Roman numerals or plain index hour markers, which would glow in the dark. But at any angle in any light, you can still see the hour markers on these diamonds very clearly from any angle. So there's the functional purpose, there's the sense of elegance and distinction within the black and gold and silver appearance to this case. And so wearing it on the wrist feels very comfortable with the Oyster style links, polished on the outside and brushed on the inside, and no fear of it catching on any long sleeves because it has a very low profile thanks to that bezel and the very thin case. So what are your thoughts on this watch? And would you be considering upgrading to this one with a diamond set dial hour markers? And having this black with the gold is just absolutely stunning, especially in any light. Leave us your thoughts down below in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this video, and if you want this watch or any other watch, be sure to visit us at jazztime.com and place your order there. Have a great day.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.